But then the...
You like it sound like lost turtle food.
They call him the Rain Man.
Yo, yo, yo! What is up, guys? Nick Nakai here, Let's Drift Media. Today's episode, we're gonna be pulling this E39 engine. Hope you guys enjoy it.
My cousin bought this for me. It is. My cousin got this from the Philippines.
They already got the tranny out. Joe got too excited. Quick 40 minutes and it was out. So next we're gonna lower it down. I'm gonna watch these guys pull out the engine. I don't feel like getting dirty. You're gonna pull out the engine and do what, Danny?
Maintenance.
Maintenance. Maintenance. Huh?
Bobcat seals, and gaskets.
It works.
It works.
The timing chain guides, the chain tensioner, water pump.
A rebuild. You're doing a rebuild.
Yeah, rebuild.
A little rebuild. And some body work. So first off, he's gonna get this Mini Cooper out of the way so we have a little bit more room. Let's get started.
So what are you looking at, Nico?
I feel like it would be easier to pop the compressor off.
Oh, let's see.
Look at that.
What are you looking at?
No, well, cause I don't know if this bolt is gonna come out because it's like right by the.
Why the fuck just leave it there?
But then the.
You like it sound like lost turtle food.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg!
I feel like it'll be better to just leave the compressor down, don't you think?
Now it's gonna pull straight up with an engine.
But what about the line? You just unbolt it later?
Hey, take it off. And then
He already drained
pull
it.
out.
Okay.
He drained it appropriate. Per OSHA spec. That net game is strong right there.
This is to do this shit for the commentary.
Huh?
You want to do this for the commentary, you motherfucker?
Teamwork right here, tag team. I'm the cameraman now.
And we just gotta get those heater core hoses off.
So what's up? What's going on back here, Nico? What is all this coolant?
I'm just inspecting to see what else we need to remove. I don't know what's going on with this coolant. You're making this very weird for me, Joe. Just tear it apart and get a nice freshen up. And
They call him the Rain Man.
I got that power steering.
Power steering from coolant. From a cooler.
Oh, it's cooler. Okay, fucker.
I'm sorry, this is fun. I like this. That's the cooler for the transmission.
oh, okay.
There's spiders under the car.
What that was?
Spider.
It was cold, dude. I was like,
Tech life.
Hey, bitch.
Tech life, you already know. If you can fix cars like this, that's real deal shit right here. What are these, boy? Look at those.
good hot, dude. Like, just gonna stay
Hashtag sick game. There we go. Now it's time. When you know when the jacket comes off, shit's gonna get serious. Media serious.
Yeah, I think it's up from artist now.
The what?
We went from drifting cars to rebuilding cars. Oh, Nico, what is this right here on your head? Oh, it looks like a little car section. Maybe that's why it was cold. Let me help you out. Let me help you out. There we go. So what are you doing here, Nico?
We're gonna disconnect the engine harness from the DME.
Okay. Would that be a faster way to take this engine out, or?
Yeah, so as soon as I can figure out how to get this cover off, can unplug the main connector right here and just whip this whole harness, bring it with the engine versus unplugging everything from the engine.
This is his teammate right here. Double D.
AKA Flib.
You got what it takes to be blimp worthy?
No, bitch.
You have a 90? 90 pick?
If you reference my other video, you can see how long my tools are.
Damn it.
You got it out? You stab yourself?
Stab myself good with the pick. Stab myself.
Take that cover off, Danny.
If the master can get it off, if I cannot, stab the shit out of my thumb on my index finger.
Ooh.
You stabbed yourself too?
Fuck, no, I cut my fucking... Paper cut myself on this fucking shit.
What the fuck? Cover is lethal, dude. Taking us all out.
Oh,
Oh
seriously.
shit.
I take it out one on the.
Got a fucking sick paper cut. Can you believe that?
Yeah, dude, I freaking finger hurts. If Danny the master can get it. That shit's retarded, dude.
I got a paper cut.
You're like, what the fuck? I got a paper cut.
I got a fucking... I was like, what the fuck? Ow. Okay, here we go.
Fuck. Dang.
Alright, so a quick little update for you guys. We're almost ready to pull out this engine. Try to, like you guys saw, move the harness over. Just clearing everything now. Alright. Huh?
I don't know.
No, that's gonna stay. I thought it was attached to this. Yeah.
Fucking guy.
Before we start yanking this beast out, we're just gonna double check, make sure everything's disconnected. We don't wanna be halfway out and realize we're snagging a harness or something like that. So.
Oh no, he took it out from the heater core though.
Not this one, man.
Yeah, no. Oh.
No, you can do it without holding.
Oh hell.
That's the way. Cause I could do it that way too, but I can't do it I can't do raw. Oh no, not right now. I
No.
wanna fucking fall now.
Too heavy?
No, it feels like I was gonna slip. Holy shit! Well, I felt it. Nah, down. But nah, my hands are slipping. I can't hold on to I can't hold on. It's like I can't need like a. Yeah, I'm heavy, bro. Nah, I'm not gonna even try it.
Oh, daddy.
No, it's like my hands are slipping. With one, like hold one hand. Yeah, just hold on.
With his oily gloves though?
No, lift yourself up.
That was it.
Epic engine pulling music.
There it is, yeah, it is. Good lighting over too.
Alright, guys, I believe we're ready to pull out the motor. We'll find out. Got the cherry picker hooked up. Gonna start nice and slow, make sure Nothing's stopping us.
What we got going on, Joe?
Trying to get this 13 bolt off for the power steering pump. It's in the back. Gotta do what you gotta do for your country, bro. Hey, give me a 13 wrench.
It's a ratchet with 13, so boom. Come on, lefty.
Hey, Danny, what does this fucking say, Danny?
It says ratchet.
Look at that.
Isn't the spot where 13 should have been?
Put it on?
I was confident in my pick.
Alright, so now we should be good to go. We got the radiator out, giving us some more room. Got the pump, the cooler out. Got the pump off. So now our only problem is the cats. They're running back a little bit, so they're hitting the car when we go up. So we're gonna try and go back and then twist it down.
Oh, they're going too fast with it.
We can't go any more forward though.
Wait. Wait, hold on, careful. Go.
Hey, you alright, Nico? Good?
Yeah.
Wait, hold, pause. That was our problem, guys. The exhaust was hitting on the bank 2 side.
Watch out the headlight.
Get my hand in there.
Alright, go up now? Yeah, we can twist it now. Yeah, we're good. All the way up.
Good job.
Very good. Look at the clearance of this, guys. Look at this.
Just watch that front.
I was hiding within the hood almost. No?
No, we're good. You're good. You're clear. You're good. Little more. Right there. Pause. Nico, and clip it. Just pull it.
We're good. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Another day, another engine.
How you feel, Danny?
Good. Good timing, you guys.
I don't know how to put it back in, but at least we got it out. The easy part done.
Hardest.
You're good. Go.
So we note to self. Let's just take the exhaust manifold off first.
Yeah. Not ready.
What is this? That was the motor mount, I guess.
I was saying, I was like, dude, that motor mount is...
It's supposed to look like this. Where's the head? You're welcome, boy.
Alright guys, so now the engine is out. Pretty sick. Wasn't that bad. I ended up hitting the cat. Very tight clearance. Those cats stick out very far. So, besides that, just a couple hiccups, just like any other job. Got the motor over here. Big bitch. As you can see right there how far as the cats stick out. That's what we're fighting. So, just taking off one side, we're able to twist it around. The big boy. Talking about daddy.
What about the top, fool? Looks like a spider.
It has the same threads.
Alright guys, so the engine's out. Just gonna let this sit here for a little bit. Danny's gonna start tearing this thing apart. See if I can make it down here so I can show you guys some of that action. See this full rebuild. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Thank you for stopping by. I'll catch you guys later. Peace!